Presyong townhouse, pero 100 square meters lot size na single attached unit na ang makukuha mo, kaya hindi na talaga ako magtataka kung bakit isa to sa mabentang unit namin here in Cavite. Magagamit mo dito ang pag-ibig mo, magaan lang ang monthly down payment and amortization, and the best thing is, napakaluwag pa ng floor layout. Interesting, right? Kaya wag mo nang palagpasin to. Hi mga kaprima, it's me again, Kiara Pepito Sabido, for another affordable single attached home tour. And this is our Linea. For a standard inner lot, meron ka ng 100 square meters na lot size at may provision na yan for 1 to 2 carport. Floor area is 77.25 square meters naman, kaya ang ground floor napakaluwag. Second floor may provision for 3 bedrooms. May maluwag ka ring service area na pwede mong i-expand upon turnover sa'yo ng unit. At syempre, meron kang 2 toilet and bath. And basic finish ang turnover natin. What you see in this house tour video is the actual turnover already, which means pwede mong ma-customize ang interior ng property mo once ma-turn over sa'yo ang unit. And you know what? Isa nga yan sa na-observe ko sa mga buyers natin ngayon. They really wanted na sila ang magko-customize ng kwarto, kung gaano kalaki ang mga cut, design ng tiles, and so forth. Kaya naman, kung gusto mo makaless at ikaw ang magko-customize ng interior ng unit mo, ito ang perfect unit para sa'yo. We have 2 sites available for our Linea unit, 1 in Dasma and also 1 in General Tria. And imagine for only 18,000 monthly down payment sa ating General Tria site, and estimated 26,000 monthly amortization through Pag-ibig, pwede ka nang magkaroon ng sariling bahay na ganito kalaki. And for Dasma naman, roughly around 26,000 din ang down payment and monthly amortization. Kung i-compare mo yan sa other projects na may 100 square meters minimum lot size, ito pa rin talaga ang pinakamurang meron tayo ngayon. Goal mo na rin ba magkaroon ng bahay this year? Tara, pag-usapan natin yan. Link in bio or caller messages in our Viber, WhatsApp at IMO number. See you sa tripping. Paalam!